what it looks like outside our window.
Wendy Impact. Can
Like
someone
I
talk
think
to
it's
Bob?
alright.
Can someone talk to Tom?
Needs to go
Can someone
inside.
talk to Veronica? Can someone talk to Chuck? Can someone get them to turn that switch off?
If only they had the power.
They may be the wrong
Inside the house.
Yes.
Oh, look at that poor bird up in the tree.
Somebody. Make it stop.
All
Oh,
right, thanks a lot.
maybe he sees our food,
And
Dana.
we're going to go to Kimberly Suiters now, who is
There's one little bird in the
on post up
tree.
there in Vienna, Virginia. Give us an update from your vantage point, Kimberly.
We put bird feed out, but they haven't come yet. There was one bird in the tree.
Okay, well, we wait for her audio, but we just want to point out something that we had Senator Mikulski on the phone
Look at
about
this.
a half
This
hour
is what it
ago.
looks like
They got some
outside our
great news
house.
for the jurisdictions. I mean, Maryland alone has spent $70 million trying to clean up this snow, and because our totals are now 50.2 inches, that they are combining both of our snowstorms so that FEMA, so that we now. You had to have 28 inches to get federal money, so they're combining our storms, so we now have enough snow to treat them as one storm, so FEMA money will be flowing to these area jurisdictions, the District, Virginia, and Maryland, to help cover the cost, federal dollars.
Once they apply, they'll have access.
So that's good news for them.
If you
And we
can
will
see the
continue our
snow.
coverage of the blizzard of 2010, round 2. We'll be right back.
Windy. You can see the wind gusts outside. Okay, let's go. All right.
Still have cable?